Hey guys! How's your day? So, I'm Maridenia Lagura from Section Page, and today we will be discussing about computing the length of the confidence interval. So first, what is confidence interval? Confidence intervals provides us with an upper and lower limit around our sample mean, and within this interval, we can then be confident we have captured the population means. In real life, we don't typically have access to the whole population. In these cases, we can use the sample data that we do have to construct a confidence interval to estimate the population parameter with a stated level of confidence. Length of the interval. If a confidence interval for a parameter population mean is this, and then the length of the interval is simply the difference in the two endpoints, that is, length is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. To understand it more clearly, here is an example. Supposed to be the company of John wants to buy a laptops for his workers. They conducting a research so that he wanna know the true average price of laptops. The average price of 400 laptops, 15,500 pesos, with a sample standard deviation of 800 pesos. Now, we need to interpret our answer in the context of this problem. Letter A. Determine all the length of the confidence level, and B. Find the 95% confidence interval of the true average price of the laptops. So we have three steps in order for us to compute the length of the confidence interval. So first step is to write the given data. Writing the given data helps us to be easily substitute all the given data to the formula. So the given data is sample mean is equals to 15,500. The Z is equals to 1.96, which is 95% confidence level. Standard deviation is equals to 800, and sample size of 400. Then, step 2, compute the margin of error. Now, we will compute the margin of error by substituting all the given data here in the formula. So, margin of error is equals to 1.96, quantity 800 over square root of 400. And that is equals to 78.4. Now, according to letter B, we need to get the confidence interval of the true average price of the laptops. In order to that, we need to get the lower and upper limit. So here in the step 3, compute length of the confidence interval. And the sample mean is equals to 15,500, margin of error is 78.4, and the lower limit, the formula of that is the sample mean minus margin of error, and the upper limit is sample mean plus the margin of error. In this lower limit, the sample mean 15,500 minus the margin of error 78.4 is equals to 15,421.6, while the upper limit of sample mean 15,500 plus the margin of error 78.4 is equals to 15,578.4. And after that, we now go to letter A. Determine the length of the confidence level. Now, this is the length of, we will determine the length of the confidence level, which is length is equals to upper limit minus the lower limit. So the length, we substitute the value of the lower limit and the upper limit here, and that is length is equals to 15,578.4, which is the upper, and minus to 15,421.6, which is the lower limit, and that is equals to 156.8. And now that we now determine the length of the confidence level, we now go to the letter B. Find the 95% confidence interval of the true average price of the laptops. Now, we can see that the true average price of the laptops lies between 15,421.6 to lies between to 15,578.4. This indicates that we are 95% confident that the true average price of laptops lies between 15,421.6 pesos to 15,578.4 pesos. Now, that is all. Thank you.